So this is our pieces for the front, and this one is for the back. So all I want to do now is to join the center back seam and the center front seam. Okay. That's it for the front. Now I'm going to sew the one for the back as well. Now the next step is to take, this is our back piece, as you can see it's all one fabric. Then I will now join this. I will now join this to this so that it can be long and the desired length that we want. So we do that by just folding this over and pinning from here to here. Okay, as you can see, I'm done sewing. Okay, now we go over to the front. Now again for the front we do the same thing. We pin this side to this side like this, and after pinning we sew right down again. And I'm done stitching. Here is the front. Looks so pretty, I love it. So now we're gonna join the sides. So now as you can see, I'm done pinning the sides, right? There's still some problem with the armhole, but I'll get to that later. The sides are joined now, so we're just gonna go ahead and stitch everything. Start with the shoulders first. So I'm interrupting the showing to show you guys some updates, okay? So first off is that I didn't have enough of the main fabric to continue with the sleeves and the hem. So I got this fabric that I had left over, and I'm going to add it to the sleeves, to the hem and to the sleeves. Now the sleeves are that big because, or that long, because I'm going to use this the ties from the skirt to make like a tie detail at the top here. So there's going to be just a tiny bit of gathers there, and the neck, I'm also using the fabric to do like a bias binding for the neck. So yeah, that's about it. Simple and easy. Let's get back. So these are the two pieces for the hem. Okay, so I'm just going to join the two ends. Okay, join both ends. Then I'm also going to hem, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. So I'm done joining up the sides. Alright, I'm done joining up the sides. Now I'm just gonna sew up the hem, and I've pinned it all up to sew. So let's start. This is our hem. I'll go iron it up straight. So now that I've sewn up everything, I am pinning the hem to the self fabric, right sides to right sides, and I'm just going to sew round, and in the end it will be like the proper length. So let's go. I'm using my regular 1/2 inch seam allowance. So this is what the hem looks like. I'm going to give it a quick press, then we will move on to the sleeves. But this is looking nice so far. I'm happy with it. Okay guys. Hey guys, it's time to sew the sleeve now, and I have already attached this one just to show you guys what it looks like. So we turned up this one like we did with the hem, and I attached this to the top of the sleeve and attached this one on the inside so that it can form a beautiful tie, just for a little bit of effect. So now I'm going to do the same thing on this other side of the sleeve. We're almost there. Hey. So now I'm just joining the side seams of the sleeve together. going to turn the hem up 1/2 inch, then 1 inch, and sew right around. So now that we've sewn it right round, we're going to pin it to the main body of the fabric and stitch up. So now this is the sleeve that we're working on. This is the part that needs to be attached, and these are the ties that are going to give just a little bit of gathering. So first of all, I take one of the ties, right? And because I want it to show up on this side of the fabric, I put it this way and center it. Okay, center it, and then I pin it. Okay, pin it up, and this is the right side of the fabric. Now I take the sleeve, this is the right side of the sleeve, turn it inside out and put it on top of the sleeve. Okay, so I then pin up everything and sew around. And voila! So I will measure up 2 inches here, okay, which is where I did for the other one. Okay, just hold it in and put it in here. I'll change my stitch to my zigzag stitch, which is stitch number 5 for me. Also a couple rows of zigzag front and back, and that should be it. So that is the sleeve all installed, as you can see, and all I have to do is just tie it up. Now the final part is the neck, which is just take the strip of bias binding, sew around, turn over and sew again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, you guys, and I will have pictures of the finished make on the blog, which is www.chinaija.com, and thank you guys again. All right, bye.